Dari dunia hiburan atau film, aktor asal Amerika Serikat, George Clooney kembali bintangi miniseri. Clooney akan berperan sebagai jenderal perang dalam miniseri berjudul Catch-22.
You can ground me if I'm crazy, right?
Oh, sure, I have to. I have to ground anyone who's crazy.
Then ground me, I'm crazy.
You're not crazy.
Why not?
Catch-22.
20 tahun sejak tampil di film Eric, George Clooney kembali berakting di miniseri. Kali ini adalah film produksi Hulu berjudul Catch-22.
Read me back the last line.
Read me back the last line.
Not my last line, somebody else's.
Film ini dijadwalkan tayang 17 Mei
That's my
mendatang.
last line.
Catch-22 merupakan miniseri dengan latar belakang Perang Dunia Kedua. Clooney bukan cuma tampil namun juga mengarahkan film ini. Film Catch-22 diambil dari novel karya Joseph Heller tentang kegilaan perang.
I thought it was a fun way to tell this story. It's hard to tell this story as complex as it is in a 2-hour movie. So it's never been about the medium, although the television and streaming has gotten much more interesting and more fun. It was more about telling the story.
And every time I get close, they raise it on me.
Catch yang berlatar belakang perang tetap menarik dan sesuai dengan realitas saat ini.
I can't do this anymore.
You think this is a big fat joke?
Cerita dan birokrasi hingga konflik dikemas agar relevan dengan masa kini.
You see the difference?